This is system test 58 of the fire alarm system. I'm on Skype with Fire Alarm Kid 2001.
Hello.
Right, we'll get on to the test. I haven't really made that many changes to the system. I've just stuck rather than having the heat detector and optic, I've just gone for the standard smoke. Well, this is the Apollo Series 65 optic detector there now. Still got the flashing up there. Not too sure what happened there for the whole camera. That strobe is going. Still got the CO2. Got smoke, heat. Still got the flashing there. ABC powder, heat detector, and ionization. And flashing there. I'll go put the panel in watt test mode. There we go. Right, I'll just start off with this one. There we go. Just doing it so now I have to listen to the There we go, that's just reset. We'll do this one. I haven't done it too. Do it again. Is it just not my day? Let's just try. No, that's gonna start beeping at me again. Oh well. Let's try this again. There we go. Now down here, ionization. So can't test it at the moment. So because obviously it works slightly different to the optic. So yeah, changes I'll be making sort of in this part of this cellar. I'll be moving around some of my workbenches. I'm replacing this fluorescent tube. I may keep this one up and put an additional one on. Silence that. There, I may just put an additional one up, maybe on over there or over here. It's really just tidying this place up. So yeah, I'm going to move some devices around the next system, neaten things up a bit, take that down because I'm actually starting to find I'm hitting my head on that now. So yeah, that is system test 58 of the fire alarm system, and thanks for watching.